IPS was introduced into asset management in 2007, where they used it as a commissioning tool to store the test files. We needed a system where we could store all of the test files in one place where we could access them through one central database. We work with IPS-ENERGY, we work with the the mobile app, and web suite and publisher. We use everything in tandem. The mobile app to collect data from site, and then we synchronize back into our database through IPS-ENERGY. We download work orders from SAP into IPS-ENERGY then. We tackle them through web suite, and we can view all the completed maintenance through web suite as well. Well, the way we worked before was completely paper-based. So we had test files stored on different drives in the computer system, and people had them saved on their own laptops. So there was no central repository for everything. And now when we upload all of our data, we're able to generate test reports from the data, and everybody can go to one place to view the files, and then we can use this data to feed into a health index for the assets out on site. There was no interaction and there was no dynamics involved. Now everything is dynamic. IPS are really moving forward with smart technology. They have the interactive cameras, and they're using tomography equipment on the mobile app to see what's going on in real time in stations. This is going to really bring the product forward, more so than the competitors, I think. The station inspections that were completed, they were only stored in a database. They weren't actually used for anything else. And then sometimes they were scanned and stored on a computer system. There was no follow-ons, there was nobody to say, well, what did you find out on site, and how can this feed into other work we need to do out on site, and then how can this feed into our future maintenance. Now we know that we have an intelligent system that's able to tell us how the health of the asset is looking, and then what we need to do with the asset. The field engineers see great benefit in the use of the mobile app. Previously they might have been a bit cautious about the use of it. They might have thought there might have been more time involved in going through all the questions, but the questions are formulated in such a way that your default is yes. So they will only need to do any follow-on if there is something wrong with the asset on site. If I was to describe IPS with just one word, I think it would be powerful.